Today, I'm gonna kill my mom!
Is that a good intro, you guys?
Kill my mom! Leave a comment down in the comment section where you guys comment. So today, guys, got one of these things, right? You might be wondering, yeah, this is a plug. If you guys want to look this thing up, I'll put a link in the description. This is a digital sound level meter. It has a whole bunch of different modes. As you can see, this is like active. So that's how loud that was. This is in decibels. This is a decibel meter. I don't know, a lot of cars are like really loud, and I want to start doing a series where we go to like loud cars and record the decibelizations, okay? So basically, I was always just curious to like, I mean, as you see in the title, like, I just wanted to know exactly how loud my car is. So what we're gonna do, I mean, let me pull up some stats. In decibels, right? Here's different sounds, all right? The healthy, normal hearing threshold is 0 decibels. Light rain is about 40 decibels. A whisper is about 25 decibels. Got a chainsaw, that's about 105 decibels. It's pretty loud. As you saw, it screamed. That was a lot louder than a chainsaw. We got a jackhammer, that's about 125 decibels, which is, I pretty much scream as loud as a jackhammer. And then we get up to a rocket launch, is about 180 decibels, which is like literally, I'm pretty sure that'll blow your eardrums out. And then a shotgun's about 160. So if you guys ever shot a gun, if you're American, obviously, you've shot guns before. Shotguns are pretty loud if you don't have your earplugs in. We're gonna see if we can make this baby louder than a rocket launch. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour 10 gallons of gasoline. Excuse me, sir, how loud do you think this is? Just outside of the car, we got a 114.3. Right in the way. Oh, is he fudging?
Hey, sorry, sir. I know.
Like, what is he doing? It's like you got a giant areaway. You got this, sir. You got this, sir. You got plenty of space, sir. Bleep, bleep. Bleep, bleep. Excuse me. Can you not film me? How does it feel? How does it feel being filmed?
Somebody help me!
Getting like 2 of these, and then I'm gonna see how long. Challenge. That's what I'm looking for. You can't film in here? This is not a camera though. No, it's not. She's computing. She's computing. You know, like the metaverse? That's what we're doing. This is just a decibel reader because she's hard of hearing. Well, it's not a camera. It's computing. Like it's the metaverse. It's like a video game.
3 hours later.
Okay. Well, my filmer in training, my metaverser in training, literally stopped recording, but she literally, I don't see why, like, it's such a big deal. Like Walmart, it literally, I was gonna make a separate video about this, like seeing how fast we could, like, you can really get kicked out of Walmart. But it's like, I don't know. It's like they have like a secret community of people who are just like, don't allow filming in Walmart. At first I thought she was like a shopper. She was like, I don't know what you guys are doing here. Like what, buying a vacuum? Like, yeah, I don't know what you guys are doing here. Shopping with a camera in the metaverse. But if I made you yawn, comment down below. Alright, so right now, just kind of idling. We're about 100. About 100.8, just idling. It's about 91 at idle. So we're gonna turn it on to the max setting. I'm gonna stick this on here, and then we're gonna rev this baby up.
Lower than your yell.
Are you kidding me? I think let's move it up a little bit. I can scream scream louder than that, but I think it's because I'm so close.
Up.
Are you kidding
2.
me? That's insane. Either this thing is just like off or what?
From out here, it sounds pretty loud. My eardrums popped.
So we got 129.6, which I think I could scream louder. 130.2. So I guess I'm louder than my car. And we're gonna give it one more go.
That's the time to beat.
Alright. Who's louder? Me or my car?
130.2, as loud as your scream.
Something's gotta be wrong here. We're gonna do a live reading. Just get up close to it. Where'd it go to?
120 something.
Dang. So I guess you guys ever wanted to have a range, basically my car, headers and a straight pipe back. I think because of the cutouts, it's like dimming the sound. But yeah, guys, that's how loud it is. I can't believe it was that. Maybe we can try this again with another meter, but I mean, what else can this thing really do? You know, it just picks up sound. So yeah, that's how loud my car is. Oh, that's crazy. I literally, we literally thought about, what did I guess, like 170?
175, I guess 161.
I guess anything really over 130 is kind of like
This lighting.
really loud. So if anybody else has a car that's super loud, that's in the Baltimore, Maryland area, give me a shout and we can test it out and see what you can do. But I think if I get my exhaust fixed, I think it might be a little bit louder, but I don't know. It definitely wasn't as loud as I was expecting it to be. So what can you do, guys? Like, I thought I was gonna be able to break a record.